guys, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm showing you how I got this really pretty, super cute, soft and elegant Valentine's Day kind of like, it's really a cute everyday too, soft glam makeup look. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. So your girl just finished saging my house, trying to get some clean energy and positive vibes going on around here. So I'm gonna be doing like a really soft glam Valentine's look. I've really been trying to get in the Valentine's spirit. Don't mind my hair, it's been raining, so it's slightly nappy. I should probably brush it out. I haven't, but it is what it is. My skin is already moisturized from earlier, which I should probably add some more, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I really miss talking to you guys. Like, this is refreshing. I really like this whole bandana style. It's giving me like 90s vibes. But yeah. So for face primer, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier. Geez, I cannot talk tonight. Pure Canvas Power Primer. And it is in a dropper. I really do like this one. It's because it's really nice. It's kind of like an everyday prime. Nothing too extravagant. I'm going to the movies, so I ain't trying to do nothing too crazy. But the only thing I will say about this primer is that you have to squeeze it before you like apply it in there. So like once it goes in there, it like sucks up all of the product for some reason. And it comes out like that. Before, I was like having the hardest time trying to get this to work. So I just kind of put it all over. It's very thin, kind of silky, so it's not gonna like make your foundation look weird or like rub off by the end of the day or anything like that. I'm gonna pull these two pieces back because I just kind of need them out of my way for right now. Look at my eyebrows. These need to be done so bad. It is what it is though. I ain't gonna trip. I probably should tweeze a few though. Okay, I really should wax my eyebrows, but I'm not gonna worry about them right now. So, quick little life update. Striving for new goals and whatnot. I kind of put my lash brand on pause for a sec because I need to get my life in order. And there's some other things I need to focus on before I just jump and continuing to doing new things. And I kind of feel like that's what I was doing last year. Just kind of like having these ideas, trying to execute them, but not fully giving them their full potential. So I'm gonna slow down and really focus on the things I need to focus on first before jumping out on a limb. Now, I'm not saying I'm not going to continue with my lashes. I am. I'm just taking a break for right now. So that's probably why you haven't seen me post anything about them or say anything about it either. So for foundation, I'm using the Instabake from Beauty Bakery. Y'all know this is my holy grail. And I'm going for a light but full coverage beat. So y'all know the drill. But yeah, so right now I'm really just focusing on growing my channel and trying to get my channel to its full potential, because it's like I have all these ideas, I try to execute them, I want to get them done, but I just got too much on my plate to try to focus on one thing at a time. Like, I'm just a busybody, and I think that's just me being a Virgo. I can't sit still. Like, I have to be doing something. It's always been like second nature, and I've always been a busybody too with my mom. Like, she's an Aries, and like being in a single parent home, it's just like there's always stuff to do. There's always stuff to get done. So I was on the go with her. So I think it's just kind of like become a thing for me. Yeah, I'm wanting to get my channel, like focus more on it, focus more on my page, getting my feed, and getting more eyes to my content because like I really want to get my YouTube and my Instagram, you know, more fans, I guess, followers and things like that, because I post really good content and I post, you know, good information on things and stuff like that, but I just really like, sometimes when you're doing all the steps and it just doesn't work out, it's like, what can you necessarily do but keep trying? Like, just never give up. And that's kind of like my element right now, because last year I definitely gave myself excuse me, like a lot of pushback in a negative way, and I wasn't thinking about it in a positive manner, and it definitely put me in a bad situation, like mentally. So now I'm just trying to stick it to the gun and focus on what I need to focus on without losing my mind over it, because at the end of the day, like, I'm still a human being. I still gotta get, you know, stuff done. I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer. I think this one was shade number 18. But yeah, I'm trying to be more focused because your girl has scatterbrained so bad. So that's definitely a goal for me right now, is to stop being such a busybody and over analyzing everything, but at the same time trying to get stuff just put out there ain't a good look either. So I'm in it for the long run. This is not an easy journey. Also, I've been loving work, but at the same time it's been super slow because it's the beginning of the year and nobody trying to spend no money, nobody trying to get their eyebrows done and stuff. So that's definitely been like, boring, but it is what it is. We're also in the process of trying to move. Where I'm staying is not big enough for me. So for contour, I'm using a cream foundation stick from Juvia's Place. This is benign or something like that. But yeah, so we're like in that weird place where like, do we stay here? Do we move? She's in school, so it's definitely a lot more to think about when you have a college student in the house, because you can't just uproot your life and change things because you gotta finish school. Duh. Yeah, I'm just kind of over my apartment, honestly. I've been trying to like make it more homey, which I probably will do an apartment tour for you guys, just so you guys can see like how I decorated and everything like that. But as far as my apartment, I definitely need more space to execute the things that I truly want to get done, but we shall see. I'm trying to really build a savings. You cannot do anything in this world without, one, credit, and two, money. Like, I'm sorry, like there's nothing you can do without either of those things. And in order to have credit, you gotta have money. So that's definitely been a thing that I'm working towards, because eventually I want to buy a house and not continue to rent apartments, because that's just stupid when a mortgage is literally less, if not the same or less, but which is like crazy to me. But yeah, it's just kind of like Oh, my Jordan year, which is like definitely about to be popping. If I didn't go all out for my birthday last year, I'm gonna be going all, I definitely went all out. I had blue hair, but it is what it is. I want to do something different for myself than what I've normally do. Hopefully I can take a trip. I'm trying to like cut back on spending, so we're not doing trips as of right now. I'm using Laura Mercier's setting powder to set my face. So back to my savings. I'm really just wanting to not, like, this year I'm not living paycheck to paycheck, which I thank God I'm not, but at the same time I need to have more of a savings account. I need a really big savings. If nothing else is important, saving is definitely, because you never know what's gonna happen in life. Like, not saying, I'm not trying to jinx myself or anything like that, but say something was to happen tomorrow, I gotta have, like, with my car or with my life and things like that, I gotta make sure I'm straight for that aspect, as well as me planning for my future, depending on like things that I want to do and have. You're gonna need a savings account so you're not dipping in your everyday funds, and it's good to just have a cushion, you know. Now, so to say, like, I know y'all been seeing me spend money and everything like that, which I'm not gonna deny I have, but I made sure that I put aside money already before I started spending, because you gotta have all your ducks in a row. Plain and simple. There's nothing else really going on in my life, but for my Instagram, trying to get my feed together. Like, I've been wanting to do more fashion posts. Hopefully, praying to God this year will bring me some clothing sponsors, because that's kind of what I want to get into more. I love fashion. Like, if y'all know me, y'all know being at work at Ulta has definitely, like, changed with, like, their dress code. It used to just be black and white, but ever since they added, like, more colors to our dress code, your girl has been, like, trying to branch out with what I can get away with at work. So this is the Precisely pencil from Benefit, and I'm using number 6. I know, real shit. Like, I've been praying and trying. Of course, you can't just pray and not put out effort. So I've been, you know, sending emails and whatnot and hoping of getting some feedback and connections. I've been wearing, of course, clothes and buying cute stuff, but I've just now started to execute it on my feed more. So that's something that I'm getting and grabbing towards to have. For blush, I'm using the Sahara Blush Palette, Volume 1. I'm gonna mix the orange and the pink together. I've been loving orange blush because it's just cute. Like, it makes my skin look super warm. I don't want to ramble anymore about myself. I'm gonna, like, get more focused on the makeup look. Y'all can comment down below some of y'all's goals, what you want to execute this year and fulfill. You know, push yourself to your next level. Like, don't sit still anymore. Like, you know, like when you just get comfortable and you're okay with what you're doing, you know, push yourself a little harder to make sure that you're doing what you want. I'm going to add a little bit of eyeshadow primer from P. Louise on my lids. We're doing like a baby pink kind of soft glam. I think I've done one before, but I don't think I've ever filmed me doing it. And I just take that and I'm patting it pretty much on my lid and blending a little bit out on my crease area. I'm gonna be using 2 palettes. My foundation and primer wasn't affordable, but this can be an affordable Valentine's look. So I'm using my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette first for my transition. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Not gonna go too high because I don't want this to look like drastic. This is soft, so you're wanting to stay within the means of soft. So you see, as I'm raising my brows, this is where my crease naturally falls. That's where I'm putting my transition. We're gonna take this really pretty brown and I'm gonna put that in my crease. And I'm gonna go back in with this color, and I'm gonna do a little bit of this one. So we're gonna dip into this Morphe Icy Fantasy palette. It's a pastel palette, and I'm wanting to use this really bright baby pink right here. I'm gonna take this shimmer pink right here and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. I've only used this palette once. I thought about doing a detailed like demo and review and everything like that, but y'all know, if you like it, you gonna buy it at this point. If y'all want my opinion, I can give it to you, but at the end of the day, that's solely up to you guys if you want that information or not. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, I'm going to do some soft lashes because I don't want nothing extravagant. These are some tester lashes that I've been sampling for my lash brand. Like I said, I wasn't giving up on my lash brand. It's just there's some steps I need to take before I execute fully of my lash brand. So I'm still gonna be selling lashes, guys, so don't assume that. I don't want to put any eyeliner on because I feel like that's gonna ruin this look. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of mascara. Y'all know I love bottom lash mascara. Y'all can put eyeshadow down at the bottom too if you want. I just, for this look, I wanted it to be super soft, like I said, and simple to where any girl, any guy can execute this without any hassle. And I also have not been using that much highlighter. I don't know, for some reason I love the way my skin looks without it for some reason. And I'm probably gonna do a nude lip with like my metallic-y lipstick that I have from Anastasia. So I'm gonna go in with my KKW lip liner first, which probably needs to be sharpened. Okay, so for my lips, I'm using this is Beaming from Anastasia. It's a metallic-y lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Super cute, super quick, very easy, very Valentine's-y. I definitely like this. I like the baby pink too. It's just kind of like, it's fun, but it's also cute and simple. So if y'all love this, then give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. And don't forget to comment if you have any questions or concerns. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.